Welcome everyone to another video. Today I'm going to demonstrate you a Shaoling Kata. First I'm going to demonstrate the first 6 steps. Look at the tutorial carefully. And at the end I will demonstrate the 7th one. Now let's talk about the hidden strategy or hidden self-defense technique of this kata. First of all, grab the boost up, swing it from the behind and hit in the head of your enemy. And now, swing it again, hit in the chin and block. Now you can block left side or right side, suddenly attacking the opposite side of your block. After that, hit your first opponent. When you're done, dodge the enemy attack and hit with your boost up full force with your 2 hands, just like I am doing. And now the 7th one. Grab the boost up, take it in your back, swing it and hit. You have to use your body to generate additional force for the hit. But remember, it is the first part. If you want the second part, just hit the bell icon and wait for the second part. Thanks for watching.